Hello everyone, this is Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Turn the music on. Check 1, 2. Let's do this cooking. This is Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Today we're gonna do some cooking. Okay. Today is gonna be massive. We're gonna wash our spoon. Cause you know I forgot the big spoon. Big spoon! Big spoon! Big spoon of curry upon it. Big spoon, big spoon, big spoon. What this is? This is blended cow skin. See that? The reason why I blend it cook quicker. Now, I'm not gonna put the peas in it because you know what? The gongo peas gonna take too long. But you know what we're gonna do? Here's what we're gonna do, people. Never been done before. You say, Randy, you extend cooking. You have no fear. You do things people's never done before. What? Yo, check it. Look what Randy I got do. Can't waste no time. When you got food processor, you just do it right. Check it. This is the Google peas. And it's gonna take a long time. So what we do? Throw some water in it and blend it too. Come on. Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Now wash it first. Never before done in history. You see, when you have more surface area, things cook faster. You don't have to waste fuel and use a pressure cooker. What? Now this piece was bought to you in Montego Bay. We're from New York City after we stay. We're pioneering different kind of things. So we're gonna turn this hard peas into liquid. Yo, this cooking it nice, boy. Don't get upset or vexed. Watch it. Make her blend it. Fire upon it. Boom. Right here. So this is the cow skin. Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. That's blended cow skin. And today, watch out you say. Feel the music. One. This is Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Let's turn the music down. That's the peas. That's the peas. That's the peas, people. That's the peas. That is the peas. We are cooking in 2021. So now, change the music selection. Get some more water. You see how quick we cook the peas? This is 2021, please. Hello, that's the peas and the cow skin. Drop a pepper within. Ow! See where I do it now? You see how quick that done? All right, let's have some more fun. Check it, check it. We are going to know. I'm gonna change music for me. Let's get some water. Rondie'S Wild Kitchen using the blender for cocoa soup. Everything. Blend out. Reduce the time we spend out. Guess what we bought today at the store? We bought, let's turn this music down a little. This music is getting offensive to the thing, you know what I'm saying? Let's just deal with it easy, nice and easy. Yeah, man, welcome to the show, you know? Things you didn't do before, now you do know. Yeah? So it's all about water, it's all about this blender. When we're the soup master. See it there? So this is the peas blended. Help the processing with the cow skin. 1 pepper within, we're going to throw some thyme in there. And a little bit of salt. And we're going to put the so now you ask yourself, why would you drink blended peas? Well, what do you think you do when you eat it? It's like you say that's a porridge. No. Just watch yourself, man. Let's blend some more cow skin. Stop being so one-dimensional. Wow! Give me my scallion and my time. This music. Vibration nice. So just to show you what we're doing different in 2021. We're living differently. Got a pothole, I know. Boom! Nobody does it like me. In the kitchen is pure creativity. Nobody does it like Rondie. Play some music and drink some jelly. Call the girls them over. Shaza, I said nothing. See, come see me. Violetta cooking. Sunday, big up yourself. Maria Bravo. John Crow. Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Alright, so you see what we do? We blend the peas. We blend the meat. Only thing we're not blending this seasoning in it. We're gonna put some salt tonight. And you know we'll put ginger in the soup too. To keep it from spoiling too quickly. So with scallion. And we're gonna make it cook. Split that. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're cooking now. We're gonna blend the pumpkin too. Speed everything up with the skin. Wash it good. Rock on come in. Yeah man, speed up the pumpkin. So this is what the cow skin looks like. So you clean it pretty good and blend it. What I'm teaching you is how not to waste your gas. The more surface area. What is the difference between a big cow skin and a small cow skin? It cooks quicker when it's blended. So you don't waste fuel and waste time. You just wash them good and blend it. Now you need a Vitamix blender. A Vitamix blender can, and why do I like cow skin so much? As I'm getting older, it's good for the joints. Google it. Right, so we like with cow skin. Right, so we clean them good, wash them nicely, and throw them in the blender. Now you've never seen this before. That's the whole concept of my show. When I'm doing things and it take too long, I blend it. More surface area. It's chemistry. You must know. There's no difference with the food. You can't lose food, blend it, or big or little. Same food. It's just a different process. So you must process your food so you can save on your gas and time. Soup can be refined for the nutrients to cook to give you that richness of the soup. Some of the pumpkin, some of the carrots, you just blend them up and put them in the soup. Then you can add your food, add your breadfruit, where you make him cook now. Cook. It's all about cooking. So now I'm washing the cow skin. I think we want to get you some slideshow now. So let's get to number 2. Let's get some slideshow for you. Enjoy the beautiful slideshow of Jamaica, all the pictures I've taken while I go on the journey. And thank you for watching this with me. Sometimes you hear me wrong bunctious. It's been a good journey, but sometimes you have to deal with the Jamaican them rough. And thank you for watching this one. This is another special one for me. So I think I'll make some dumplings too. So cow skin is being blended. Oh no, I have to watch the show because I saw it go. It's a Grammy moment. Get the award. We're cooking Jamaica. Cooking in yard. Some life for people. No say it hard. But apply yourself. Don't depend on people abroad. Do whatever you can. You know? Grow your food. Or your meditation. You have the sunshine, water. Part of God's plan. So Jamaicans, enjoy on yourself. We'll put some sauce in it when we blend the next one. So we wash it and scrape the cow skin off. We want it clean. Then we're going to blend the pumpkin and we're going to leave some of it for food. Half the pumpkin blended, mixed with the peas. Whoa. People say, Randy, you go run belly. All right. So here you go. This is the blended cow skin. We're going to blend it now. So basically, let's run this. All right. Now you need a Vitamix blender for this. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and creamy and easy. Have a breadfruit. Wash them off. Breadfruit. So breadfruit. Okay, back to Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Pot a boil. This is the peas and the cow skin. Let's add some more cow skin. So a breadfruit. Never been done before. It's 2021. Let's try something new. More cow skin, adding it to it. Look how rich it is. This thing I saw, make the man them strong. Cow skin for long. You see how thick and nice? Add some more water. So this allowed everything to cook quicker. And that's the whole idea. Yeah, man. With a big spoon. Cow skin. Blended Gongo peas. Blended Gongo peas. Yeah, man. Let's turn the music down a little. Big spoon. Sealing on the ocean. We don't need no permission to deal with that. Yes. So, you remember now, we have no coconut, but you know, so I'll put the coconut powder in it. But before we do that, let's get some breadfruit in here. So, let's add some salt. So that's the gongo peas, cow skin, thyme, and scallion. That's a soup broth. So that's gonna cook nicely. Now, listen to me. I want you to follow me. No, I know you guys say, Randy, we're gonna have to just try it, but this is just that's a tip of curry. And now here we're seasoning the thing now, not for the end. Little bit of fish seasoning in it. Just a touch. Yeah, season up the meat now. And this is where you get your salt. Yeah. That's your salt. Pour out hands like that. And you know, we always love just to add just a tip a little hot sauce in there, a little spice to it. A little nice to it. So now, you say, are you going to blend the breadfruit? No. Let's not get crazy. It's wild, it's not crazy. There's a difference between wild and crazy. So let's mix this up now. Remember, there we go. This is your blended peas. So this soup, come on. This is cow skin and gongo peas. It's a power. Remember I said we put with the cow skin oats enough to make the cow skin out. So now let's do this. We need a pot cover for put our spoon on. Some kind of cover on the stove. I'll put that there. Spoon rest here. No mango is going in this soup today. Of course, more than ever, because we're smart. The reason why I put ginger in everything I do, the ginger kill the belly run, it brings it together. So right now, wash some ginger. We're gonna make this thing cook, you know. We're gonna cut the breadfruit slice. So we're gonna peel the ginger, get off the dirt. I can't do regular things. I'm an artist. I must come up with something new every day. Life is about that. So now the ginger in the soup, for me personally, It brings everything together. The ginger is the dominant. It says, everybody, I want you to work together. And it reduces the spoilage of the soup. It's the police. So you get your big cup and you crush your ginger. Yeah? Here's your ginger crush. Send him in there. Ginger. Now let's peel this breadfruit. I'll cover the pot halfway. So cover pot halfway. And let him bubble. Don't let him boil over. Then you'll be in trouble. With your sharp knife, peel your breadfruit. So here is our breadfruit. So you see, they speed up the whole process, you know. I'm gonna go wash them off. A lot of skin for the garden. Cut off this part right here that just got exposed. With my big bad knife there. I have some big bad knife. So now I've helped a lot of people with charity and different things. And I'm gonna just enjoy myself more so the show now. And if I meet random people, I meet them, but I really want to enjoy myself now. I've set the foundation, spent a lot of money to do this program. Now, I just live my life. I love cooking, so one way to enjoy your life is cooking. So, I'm now going to slice the breadfruit too thick. Want it cooked quick. Again, when you're cooking, deal with surface areas. The smaller the food, the faster it cooks. So depending on what time you put the food in the pot, I'm a breadfruit fanatic, right? And in Jamaica, everything I cook with Irish and breadfruit. And we have some yam to put in the pot too. There we go. These are already clean. Check with big spoon, rock on come in. Big spoon, check off pot cover. Lovely. Oh yeah, smelling good already. Ever see a soup like that? Big spoon, do your thing. Big spoon, lovely. Your piece drop out of my ears. All right. More breadfruit. Get my big knife. Most important thing in a kitchen, of course, your knife, your pots. Breadfruit. I'm gonna peel this breadfruit right now. Check it out. This is my red pot. It's So me have some nice pots, right? You can use this for wipe off your table. You can use the breadfruit to wipe your stove, you know. You never know that. The heart of the breadfruit can help to clean up, it soak up things. Wash your hands, don't cut yourself. If this is washed real good, skin, slide piece of him in there. Add a little bitter to the pot with the breadfruit skin. Just like we use banana skin in the country. When kitchen is wild, love that style. When the pots are cooked, take your time to boil. Cooking is wild. You're doing it with Rondie. You're seeing things you never seen before. You're gonna want some more. When you taste it, you're gonna be happy. We do it on the spot. Turn up the flames and make it real hot. Come on. Nobody does it like me. Super Chef Rondie. In the kitchen. I rock to the music. When you eat my food, you just can't refuse it. Breadfruit. Come on. Let's wash these. Enjoy yourself. Don't be like no buckle. Sitting on a shelf. If you cook normal, it will taste normal. We no normal in a Montego Bay right now. That's how we stay. Want some more salt in it. Turn the spoon back way. It'll come along, right? So the thing stay. Yeah, man. Look at curry in that too, you know. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Everything I cook, you know. So you need to behave on yourself and stop. Look on the pot and I make up nice. Ow. Let's go back. Church time. Time. Okra time. Food I cook. Okra time. Break out the okra. Get some washing upon that. Keep all the food for the garden. Yeah. Leave a lot for the garden. Garden gotta eat too. Time to wash the okra. Lots of okra in the pot, yeah. And this time, it's just sliced in two. A lot of people like to cut off them okra head, you know. Normally, I don't like doing that. Slice two. Save some time. Put them all together. Save time. Cook it fast because a lot of things needs to be done. Cut off all the okra head at once. The boy I don't get cut off. Speed up the thing in Rondie'S wild kitchen. So it's about speed cooking without a lot of energy and electricity. Line up your okra head them. You don't have to cut off the bottom them. There we go. Each wash real good. Spoon back where okra. Okra happy? Let me see this okra. Is it enough okra? Yeah, good amount, good balance. No, I love okra. We want the Irish potato for going now for some cookings because Irish potato take long. And we have the yam. Here we go. So, get the pot thing back on the stove halfway, 3/4 way. Irish potato. Hope you're loving the show. And I'm gonna peel this part but not touch it. I don't need my glasses. Leave the glasses on the stove for flavor. Here we go. What will Randy come up with next? All right, here we go. Now, in the country of Norway, when them cut things, them just rack it. When you cut the thing small, just rack it, right? Let one pot help another pot, all right? One potato is good. I'm gonna do some little twirling little dumplings with white caramel. Is this thing good? Yeah. Yeah, people. Your pot a bubble. No, this one I'm gonna wash. Rocket. Rocket. You rocket. Rocket. Then you split this one here. I like my food in the pot. Cut up small. Cook faster. Big spoon, report to the bridge. All right, we're coming along. Food going in the pot now. This I've got to do some serious cooking now. So we're gonna need some more water in it. Pumpkin, yam, step to the front. If you're good, you can peel the yam without it touching your hands. See the yams there? Wash that off. More power. All right, people. Yam, potato, then we're going to the Irish next. Put all the food in it. Then we're gonna put the coconut powder in there. We don't have no coconut, real coconut. Put a pack of the coconut powder. Soup smelling good already. Wash the knife too. We have a lot of food for the garden. Mr. Foster coming tomorrow to taste this. First time I ever blended the peas actually. I wanted the Gongo peas. Look at that, it's coming along. One pot help another. Big spoon, do something with yourself. Go on, big spoon. Let's wash our big spoon. We're moving along. All right, so now to add some speed. Pumpkin, your time. All right, presenting Mr. Pumpkin. Mr. Pumpkin, we're going to leave the seed and the gut of the pumpkin. Cut half. We're going to take out half the guts and the seed. But we're going to leave, the seed is my bone. And this part, rock him, rock him, rock him, rock him, rock him. This part, I'm going to blend this part. Cook this part with the seed. If I plant the pumpkin myself, I'll blend the skin too. We waste a lot of food because of taste. So you know I like it spicy and nice. I have a purple pepper, and you guys know I love pepper. I could do a simple Jamaican dish the way Jamaicans do it, but I'm not totally sticking to the formula. Change the narrative. But do it my way. So instead of adding water, I'm gonna cut up the pumpkin with the gut piece drop. Leave that for the garden. And get the guts and the seed. Stop wasting stuff. Guys, being afraid. It's a pumpkin drop. Leave that for the garden. Get some water. And while we're doing that with the pumpkin blended, we're gonna put the powder in there, the coconut powder. So now we just purchased that. We're on my purchase. Here we go. Now the brand of coconut powder I love. I love this one here from Kendall. Kendall, I love one. See that? Randy love one. So Randy's Wild Kitchen. So what we're going to do, we'll put the coconut powder in the water with the guts, with the seed, because we blend up the coconut powder with the pumpkin. All right, so our blended pumpkin with the, am I coming too loud? Our blended pumpkin with the coconut powder, and that's the pepper I'm gonna use. There we go, add some color, and 2 pieces of pumpkin drop out tonight. Big spoon, you're called to the station. Do your thing. All right, now you guys see this soup now. You're probably saying, wow, look at that. You're saying, no, you're a believer. Because we're getting color. Guess who we're going to add to the party? Carrots in the fridge. But before we do that, let's add, you know who, Mr. Irish. So we want some food from the pumpkin. So we're going to cut this bad boy here. But again, I didn't grow the pumpkin, so I don't trust the chemicals. So I'm definitely gonna rock and get rid of the skin here. So we want some pumpkin to eat. So we do it in a Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Cooking with blender. Be a big spender, get a Vitamix blender. If you wanna get something for your mother Christmas, what you need to send her is a Vitamix blender. You see, and I'm sure I can't do things one-dimensional in my life. Me I say, you see, my show is a variety of things. I can't spend my life just cooking. I bring you on tours. I help people out. So people say, Randy, how come you have more subscribers? We're doing the good. You know how long it takes to help people out, get phone calls and everything? You know how much work this has been? It's been a full-time job. But it's the mission. Beautiful life. Pumpkin, I love you like you're my wife. Yes. Magnesium. Look on the soup, people. You ever seen nothing so creamy and nice? This is soup here thick, so we'll get some carrot tonight. Where my onions there? Where my chocha there? Coming at the party. Chocha at the party. Feeling irie. Yo, me say chocha at the party. Everybody know feeling irie, yo. What am I gonna do? We're gonna take the chocha cut off the top. Peel some of it, because the cool thing about a soup, when you get to eat the chocha skin, part of it, chew on that, it's a nice feeling. Look at, hey, coming to the party, chocha feeling irie. Split it in two. This is the middle part. That not taste too hot. So we're gonna keep our chocha in 4 splits because lots of thing going on. Big spoon, watch yourself. Where you want to sit down? All right. So gotta get into the camera. More food. Chocha. Yeah. Chocha. Spoon turn backwards. Do your thing, spoon. Chocha in a soup. Boil yourself. So I'm gonna put some okra in the end, what I call my crunchies. You know, no, cook not with onion in it, without onion. So you don't have to have a lot of flour and thing, but I go put some little spinners in it. So I'm gonna wash out that container right there. So things are looking nice, people. Onion. Yeah. Watch your finger. Onions. I'll put more scallion in there on time later for the seasoning. You know, I'm gonna put the rooster soup in it. We got different kind of soup mix today. We got the spicy rooster soup. Got peppers. Now this is the bad boy. So this one I want it hot. So I know I'm gonna do it already. See him there? Watching yourself. Stand back. This one is gonna be hot. So this is your heat now. And I know some like my pepper. But the heat will boil out. So no, don't be afraid. Check it now. No editing on this film, you know, so everything like it live right now. Boom. Big spoon, do your thing. Now, you see there? People. One I said to me now. You know, can't taste, Randy. Hot. No, a lot of cooking need for go on, you know. So, it's thick. This is what you call a thick soup. But we need more water tonight. More love from the chocho. Irish potato. One we're using. We're gonna put some more salt in there just to make sure. You know? My cooking style, man, different. Time to wash this. Rondie'S wild. Gaza call me the soup god. That will cook quick. More chocho. They call it Christophine. All my guests are gone. So when you come to Jamaica, I'm 10 minutes from the airport. So come by and get some food. Hi. So Randy, you know someone needs some of you. I need some of you. Your bar soup, you know, brother. The way you do things, brother, never before. I have to admit it, Randy. You set the thing differently. Boom. Skeleton, wanna stop be so lonely over here. Wanna join the party. I put on some vibe in the thing. Skeleton, wanna rock and come in. So now, what's in our food here? Yeah, man. The garden is gonna be happy today. And most of this is healthy, you know. I like the scallion. I'm gonna look for my pimento. So you put the light foods at the end. Irish, we don't want to cook too much. Look, imagine we had to cook the cow skin. It would take about 3 hours. But now that time cut down. So the whole thing is to cut down the time. So this, we're going to slap him up with the big spoon a little. Big spoon, beat him, big spoon, beat him. That's what, big spoon do. Beat things. Okay? Wash him off a little. All right. Skeleton, go do your work. Do your work, Skeleton. Nice and creamy. All right, carrot. Need some color. All right, carrot. I see two of you hiding in here. Okay. I see two of you hiding in here. We need some cassava. Guess what we have in the fridge? I hide from where? Have my love, forget. Check it out. Bami. You see my last cooking show? So carrot, that you for know. So now, for some cassava blend, you take a bobby and you just cut a bami in it. You say, yo, I go Africa, go soup for them. This is my life now. Just enjoying it. I know poor people, rich people, all kind of people I meet. A lot of them was headache. If I just stay in my kitchen like other YouTube channels, some YouTube channels, they just cook. That's all they do. They don't get people hearing aids. They don't get farmers' driver's license. They don't get people cold. They don't get people goat. They don't train other YouTubers. They don't. So carrot, I'm gonna just slice up the carrot tonight. What made that carrot there? Come out to the fridge. Where are you dealing? New York City, big up yourself. Brooklyn, Crown Heights, Canarsie, 90s, big up on yourself. This is how we live in Jamaica, in the good life. The thing about Jamaica, just Mind your business and shut your mouth. So this pot I've got to cook down and thing. Carrot. I love soup. It makes me strong. I don't use. I like cow skin soup and chicken feet soup. I love beef bone too, but every now and then. Eating meat once or 3 times a month not going to kill you. In your genetics, some meat tonight. As human beings, we've evolved a little bit because of the weather climate called changing of the earth. So we're not going to blend the carrot. We're going to leave it as food. So that's some nice color to the whole dish. Good. So we pepper in there. Big spoon. Your turn. Yes. It's thick. Look like I want a bigger pot. All right. Let's do that. Thick. This is not a soup. Wow. So look like I want a bigger pot. Make it boil up. All right. Okay. So now music. Where I deal with. All right. So we have a big pot over there. So make a wash it. I'm not sure if I have a cover for that one. Okay, let's do this. Big pot coming on the scene. Always have a big pot on standby. You never know. You might cook out of control. Cook out of control. Soup God, Randy. Boom. Come on. Stop playing with music, you know. Computer, me turn you off. All right, you ready, people? Let's do it. Get the glasses out the way. Let's make it happen. I need a lady to wipe my forehead. I need a night nurse. Check it out now. You ready? Be a man about it. Show it tonight. Food. Go in a pot. Look at the bottom of the pot. See? Change clothes like that. Change pot. Come on, people. Wanna play with me? Wanna believe in now? Are you a believer yet? Not the food. Maestro. It is. So let's change your pot so that you can have a new pot bottom. Soak this one. Big spoon. So this is what your soup looks like so far. It's a beauty. All right, let's get the music together. All right. It's a big spoon there. Bami, another time for you. So now we need water. Pepper. I hope you're enjoying the vibration. Hey, music. Let's turn this around. All right, pot is soaking. New pot. I think I left my pot cover in New York City. Music up. There's a lot of food for the garden. Look at this. Look how much food for the garden. All right. All right. All right, leave that right there. Okay, need some water. No. Get the pot out of here. Let that soak. On the sides here. I need a bigger kitchen. All right, soup look nice. Everything look all right. When we're sitting on the couch and watch it all night, we're running on the live kitchen. Everybody happy. Check it. Live in a Jamaica. Land of food and water. Check it. Now get some water. So now you know, so we're going to turn up the season on the salt now. I'm going to add some water to it. Yeah. Hot water, not cold. So this is how we do it. And then we're going to make it cook. Big soap. I think I want to bring it to some of the elders. Boom. Now we're going to cook this now. See it there? Now we're going to start cook now. Now it'll look like soup tuna now. I'm going to say yes. Rondie, the soup boss. Yeah, man. See it there? Soup is a thing. It's magical for me. And because I pour so much water in it, can't make it last. Big finger. Salt, not too much. Yes. Happiness, everything blessed. All right, Pepper. Put some here by your chest. Pepper, you know, I love you. I love my pepper, man. Hot. Do what you have to do, you know. In the pot. You're lucky I never throw the seed in that. Only big people pepper pot. Goat skin. And blended Gongo peas, pigeon peas. Blended pumpkin with the seeds. Blended pumpkin. You see that? Oh, that's a soup. So we're gonna make that cook. And then we're gonna add the roaster soup mix. Right? So now let's get our cover. This is not the cover for the pot. I left that cover in New York City. So. Okay. See, that pot cover is not for it, but let's use what we have. Now, one last thing. Adding some flavor. Most important thing in the soup. I know you guys didn't know that coconut oil, virgin, is very good to add to your pot. This right here is good to slipperification. All right, you idiot, Flo. Yeah, idiot. Come out of my thing. Sure. All right, so now what we're gonna do is add some coconut oil, because what this does, that is healthy. Add the slipperiness to your intestine at all times by putting some coconut oil in there. Okay. Coconut oil is the only oil I try to cook with. Big up to my mother. Mother teach me right. Every day and every night. I feel big up to our mother, cause a mother teach me how to cook and thing. But now we go to big man. We can try different things, you know. So this is the top cook. Man called Rondie. Blaze it fire. Let me see if I have my pimento seeds. Add some nutmeg there. What's this over here? Okay. Yeah. So we can't find no pimento seed. I love to put parsley in my soup. Little of that. Ooh, that soup is well nutritious. Now we'll put a roaster soup, salt, peppers in there, all different spices. It's been a layers of different things. Layers of different things. Layers of different things. Now, it's time for the crunches. It's time for the freshness of the thyme again. The thyme already boiled out. So it's the second layer of seasoning. Because I do something called layer cooking. At the end, we'll put the crunches in. Make sure some of the okras will be diced, some will boil out, and some get crunched. So that's my style. Don't steal it. Layer cooking. You know, a lot of people, I always say to them, the caveman did not have a recipe book. So we have to do whatever we want to do. And this is what I call a soup. Time to make your soup and enjoy your life. And keep bad people out of your life. Keep negative people out of your life. All the comments that are negative, I delete them. I don't need it. You need to be centered positively. You were born to be negative. Your colonial master give that legacy to you in your faith-based system. You were born to be negative. Not me. I'm a universal being, divine. You see? Look upon it. That's what I talk about. We weren't born to be negative. So keep your negativity. Come positive. Or no devil on Rondie. We're born to be negative. All right. So sometimes you have to fight to be positive in this country. Bad mind is caused by lack of school and books. You see, them need more books. And there's not a lot of library. And mine is a terrible thing to waste. When the people them just gossip about each other. So that's where you get the bad mind from. When the mind wastes time. It's a terrible thing, you know. So what we're gonna do is put with okra in the refrigerator. When we have leftover. This has been a splendid moment in time with you. And I'm glad I did this. I forgot my little rollers, dumpling. So let's add them to it. Make sure your fingernails clean and your pan clean. So extra washing of the hand. All right, let's turn the music off for a second. Some of you might not like the music. So let's turn them off. All right, so right now, we're coming to the finale. Here's your clean pan, and here's your pan. This is 1% white corn meal, all right? So this is 5 pounds. This cornmeal here is white cornmeal. So right now, I leave the cornmeal and the flour in the refrigerator. Some reason the weevils them don't like it too cold. So that's what I do. Add some water to this. Normally, when I'm making my dumplings, because again it's Rondie's Wild Kitchen, what I would do, I would cut up scallion in this. Or, which is crazy, but nothing in my kitchen is crazy. Let me tell a little trick. When you're making your little spinners, add some thyme leaf to it. So whatever, when they bite it, they get a little bit of fresh thyme in their mouth. You see, that will just make it the little spinner stand out when you get a little fresh thyme in your mouth. So this is the cornmeal, a little bit of water. I'm gonna make spinners in this. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour to it to give it that seal, but I don't like to use a lot of flour. Listen. So this is white cornmeal. Cooking is an art, and you could do whatever your heart desire. It's your kitchen, it's your gas, it's your stomach. The smell now is coming together. Whoa, big spoon just dropped. Somebody save the big spoon. Wash off the big spoon. All right, so one of my viewers said to me, Randy, we're learning. Thank you. You see something you never said before. It doesn't mean it's wrong, Jamaicans. Sometimes everything on us is new. And I saw it for go. The caveman did not have a recipe book. I'm from New York City, been 14 years in Jamaica, and I grew up in the country. I see a lot of people cook. We grew up in the bushes, Norway, Manchester, St. Catherine. So we learned how to cook from feeding animals, from watching our uncles and our parents. But as we grew up, we learned that some of the things we were doing was not healthy. The overindulging in flour. So normally when I'm making my dumplings, I would actually, remember your nails have to be clean. I would actually, when I'm making my dumplings, I'm dumpling for going out of the pot already, but I'm gonna make that cook. When I make my dumpling, I literally cut up thyme and scallion in it. It's fine. That's another technique you could try. Alright, stove dirty. When stove dirty, I know say you did a good job. So we're gonna make some spinners. Another thing. And, oh man, talk about smell good. Boy. Me say, boy, where my piece of cloth there where me need. I need a night nurse. Yeah. So now we're gonna let that cook, but we're gonna make a look of spinners, we're not totally dry. So you see the thyme is in there, remember? So when you bite the spinners, you taste the thyme. Again, it's Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. What are you thinking? One thing when I'm at the house, I don't like to be disturbed. I like this house because nobody disturbs me. Nobody knocks at my door. If we don't come unannounced, it might not be a good idea. I'm Jamaica Good Life, but the thing, if you come I don't know, say you're forward in and you knock on my door, the big dirty dog in the yard might not like you. I'm gonna name you and bite you. I train the dog to fight you. All right. So we'll put the spinners in the pot. I hope you love this one, people. We didn't put any salt in the flour. This pot going out to my friends in Africa. The chief died in Botswana. I haven't sent my real condolences yet. That's the chief who gave me 20 acres of land to plant whatever I want. So you see, our wealth is beyond ownership. Our wealth is love. All over the world, I get a lot of love. That's when I come for bring love. So now I can in my kitchen and just cook and live my life and steer up people way as I continue on this journey. Big up to Queen Cuisine. Big up to Love, Love, Lovely, Lovely. She likes to cook. Big up to everybody who watched the show and thing. Boom. So my spinners them strong and so I'm gonna make that cook. So I'm gonna make one dumpling no time. The one you have a lot of calm meal, so I'm not gonna make no dumpling, I'm gonna keep him spinning. Gaza, Swayze, that's nothing. Man called Bolton, the Jamaica Good Life farmers. Nadine Lee, man called Kevin from Mobile. All my fans them every day. So around the stay good deportee. Keep doing the good work. Brian, remember, check out Up Top TV. Check out Jamaica Shine. Check out Drunk on YouTube. Check out Jamaica Shine YouTube channel. So this thing is cooked, really cooked. So I don't have to worry about nothing wrong. This won't take too long to cook. I'll put a little bit more water in it and call it a day. Put some fresh okra in it and that's how it stays. So this soup should be one of the richest soup I've ever made because the peas was blended. Big sauce. All right, see there? Yes, people, see that? That's what I'm talking about. Wanna get it now? Wanna get it now? You understand now? Need on a big spoon. Everything. No, we're gonna make him cook now. All right. That's the cow skin right there. Now we're gonna make that cook. Add some more water. Now if we had stuff like, now we're gonna put more water in it, have enough salt in it. Now we're gonna make that cook. You don't want the salt for that because there's been a lot of water. Pepper and everything, boom. We're gonna make that cook now. So what we're gonna do is pause the recording so we can make that cook. So that is it, people. Rondie's Wild Kitchen. You know, let's keep on doing what you do. I'll keep on doing what I do. Keep watching, subscribe, share, and love it. No like it, I want to know if I love it. But no want to know if I like it, I want to know if I love it. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna pause the recording. Okay, people, so we're back on the recording. This is Jamaica Good Life, Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. Woo! Me I telling us, say, what you say? I say, turn up till it burn up. Dawn till what? Sun up. Eh? You know the dance all bad man them? Put on a gun up. Hey, hey. See the people, what we deal with? Breadfruit. Thing that cook now, you know. Remember, so we start off, what did we do? This your thing, yes, sir, brother. This your soup, yeah, $1 million thing. This right here, so, like this your life, yeah, in a real time, in a real life. No, I'm gonna finish him off now. Let me tell you something. When I don't come on my gates, I don't have to be polite and sit down at the table and hold on a plate and say, Randy, your thing, nah. So you know, we always finish off the thing with that like a steamers, like a green thing with them call a cauliflower. Where are you going with big spoon? Watch yourself. So now, right at the end of the thing, what you add to it? King, nothing but the master himself, cauliflower. Why cauliflower? Cauliflower add a little bit of bitter in it. And the baby sit in it, you know, the ginger, pull it together, the cauliflower, complete everything. People, the Almighty is great. What I need to do right now is run go get on a plate. See it there? Don't hesitate. Brooklyn, New York, come to Jamaica to turn up the thing. Flavor. This is Randy Wild Kitchen and Jamaica Good Life. Nobody does it like Randy. Nobody does it like me. In the town or country or in the city. When people eat my food, them jump for joy and happiness and give thanks to the Almighty. Because, you know, Jah will bless. I hope I gotta put some ear on the chest. Hey. Just so you know, it's been such a great experience cooking it for Ono. We're gonna run him another 10 minutes. And more until I say, it's like more and call a neighbor and say to her, neighbor, I'm gonna bring some soup for you. You see me? I'm gonna put the soup in my Dutch pot and bring some for the neighbor. Because that's neighborly love. I'm gonna call her and say, look, a Sunday, I know say, you know, deal with soup, but I forgive you some of the soup because we can't keep this to ourselves. So I go get my Dutch pot right now. I look at Dutch pot. My Dutch pot is my sharing pot. So I go. When this thing done, I go bring some to my neighbors. Put in the Dutch pot and tell the neighbors them say, look, this is from Jamaica Good Life, Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. So we have to share the food in a Dutch pot and bring it to the neighbors. People, soup no normal. The soup here no normal. And I've got pay me for come on the yard or pay me for come. You drink when me cook? See the Dutch pot there. You know, maybe me not give the neighbor none. That's bad. The soup was so bad we had to use 2 pots, right? So we're gonna put our stuff away, leave our seasoning for another day. Boom! Randy Wild Kitchen. Nobody does it like Randy. Big up yourself, lovely goddess. Cause I know a long time I'm out there cook and things one of the best on YouTube. And I do normal things. We no normal around here. So. Next time I cook some chicken for them. I like the red meat and the pork and them things. I eat pork once a year, but I don't really cook pork. I like lamb chops and I like curry goat. But really, you know the cooking pork thing. I clean up the floor. You see how I can bend? nicely and I start doing some running. So this here soup here not normal. So now, because it's a big pot, you know, you see the chicken noodle. He said, no, Randy, I go add chicken noodle too. It's a big pot, you know. You need some spice, you know. Should I add some chicken noodle to it, you know. Good. I'm going to do it. This, I'm going to seal it because it's a big pot. The chicken noodle now, seal him off. It's a big pot. That soup here, the neighbor have to get some. It have the pop throw, the okra, the blended gongo peas, blended cow skin. You have the cornmeal with the thyme mixed within. You have 2 layers at a time, right? You have okra. You have Irish potato. You have the roaster soup mix, we call it. And we have now the chicken noodle at the end. We have salt. We have a little bit of parsley. We can't even talk no more. We have onions. We have scallion. We have breadfruit. We have yam. We have Irish potato. We have water. And we blended the pumpkin with the pumpkin seeds and the gut. And we cook half the pumpkin. And we have carrots in there. Come on, people. When we play it there. Come on, people. One idea. Eh? This kind of restaurant for me I deal with, you know. Get a nice spoon with that one there. See it there? So this is for the neighbor. When stove dirty, you know, so good. That is for me. And you. So now, just so you know, them say, just so you know, Randy, you know, play with the thing, Valletta. This soup is a love letter. Hi. Yo, Randy now play with the soup. I'm calling me the soup king. You see me? And if me have some, you see, and if me have some turnip, that turn it up with some turnip. If me have some normal, some turnip, that turn it up with that. Real coconut would make it even nicer, you know. Soup not normal, people. Make that boil up at the end with the chicken noodle. Let's call the neighbor. The neighbor go say, why? It's so hot. I love cook, man. No, for a restaurant, what would I do? Would I just is the belly flat, start workout. What I do at the restaurant now is cook one pot until they make a reservation. You see me? Make go call somebody come up on the soup in a real time. You know, Jamaica them say in a real life. You know, we're gonna make that person here talk. Then we're gonna make sound nice. See it now. All right. Me a record, so watch what you say. All right. You ready for it now? Me know say you go say something. Look here. So you say it look good from afar. All right. See, see the big spoon there. All right. You ready to get the ingredients now? Look there. A, a pop chow. You know, so I'm tell you something, I blend this cow skin. You see the gungo peas? You not see the gungo peas? Me blend, me, listen what me say. Me blend the gungo peas too. Whoa. Whoa. Let me show you my soup thickness. Blend gungo peas, blend cow skin. You see this? Dry gungo. Coconut milk too. Caramel spinach. And let me tell you something. Thyme in the spinners. I put fresh thyme in the green scotch. The scotch come out already. Because we slice up pepper in it already. See that? Them call me the soup king, you know. When you blend the cow skin, it quicker. When you blend the gungo peas, it quicker. And you blend the pumpkin with the seed and the gut, half the pumpkin. Leave the carrot. So everything in that soup, in that broth. Yeah, man. I want to you. We no waste nothing in Manchester. You see that? That is how you make soup the Manchester way. Big man thing. Put some on your hand. Hold it. Hold your hand. Me say me no want give you none of the soup. Look on this. Me go give the neighbor some. Mr. Foster come tomorrow. Okay, sir? This soup is blended cow skin with blended gongo peas with blended pumpkin. Put the coconut powder in the blended pumpkin. Where I talk about salt. You shred it. Yeah, blending make things quicker. Now taste it now. Just say I know. You know normal. You know normal. No. No man. It touched the back of the throat. Can't put the same spoon in it. Let me tell you, Mrs. This is the first time I ever blend cow skin and blend gongo peas. It's not normal. You see, when you don't have the time, come remember saying no. We blend the cow skin, come have a Vitamix blender. So you have to be a big spender and get a Vitamix blender. No man, ninja can't blend no cow skin. You mash up your ninja. Alright, so I blend the cow skin cause you're not supposed to spend your whole gas and day 3 hours for cook cow skin. A waste of time that. So you just blend him up and cook him up. So now you see when the soup in the fridge and it sit down, me put ginger in it too, you know. scallion, different layers, okra. You see this a soup here? It no normal. It no normal. I put the roaster soup mix and I put also I put chicken noodle soup in it too. Two of them, 2 pack. No man, me think no normal man. Me no do normal things. We're exquisite, expensive Jamaican. We not do the we have to up the thing at 2021 now. You see me? Look there. You see we have the sweet potato night. You see me? We didn't need us some big dirty dumpling. Yeah. But no pepper in it. The pepper boil out, me say the soup, it just, it no normal. The soup, yeah, it no normal. It's rich, it powerful, it well cooked, because because the cow skin blend out with the gongo peas, everything cook. You see me? And this thing here will fix up your backbone, your front bone and your side bone, your left bone and your right bone. It will never make you left your home. You will stay in a bed all night. A fuss and a fight. See there? Me tell you, in no normal Randy Wild kitchen. Me tell you, say me a done pan it, you never believe me. Me know. Mm. A Sunday, man. Sunday. I know, say, if me did get some baked bean and throw it night, I too kind of. Me say, no, if you did have the cooked baked bean and the tin of baked bean and put in it, no? Yes. Let me tell you something. 2 kind of peas. The next one me do. I some chicken foot my want in this now. Yeah. Yeah, man, blend it. This a soup, yeah, man. Oh, you want to taste it? You can do it that way, but me not have the time. Would have to cook. You would have to pressure it and yeah. Me never bring down no. Me no pressure cooker down here, so. But me do want to. So me wish me did have some turnip. But me said this a thing, yes, man. Me know said tomorrow me supposed to trang. Me supposed to trang. The soup you name the tan pani lang. Hey. Whoa! That soup yeah. You know normal. Look how much food. Look how much food me done with. Yeah, me put in the garden. So tomorrow I'm gonna steam some cabbage and some callaloo. I'm gonna get some saltfish tomorrow. And I'm gonna fry some bun. I'm gonna soak the bun in a coconut water. We not do with no flour, man. We're a big man now. We can't do with no dumpling business. Dumpling make people back. Dumpling not good healthy for people, Fried dumpling are them things. It no matter. I have to stay for the flour. I bind up my stomach. Them things that bind up my stomach, man. Me tell, hey, better me get the breadfruit flour and do breadfruit fried dumpling. Me rather fry breadfruit. Me can't eat flour no more, man. Me too old now. Me tired of flour. Flour no good for you. I hit make my belly big. So my belly get slim now. And me look trim now. Rice and flour, me I stay from them things, them man. That's why some of the Jamaican women them just make a belly big. Me no eat rice no more, me eat quinoa. Me no eat rice no more. Me eat no. Me eat me eat quinoa. Me can't do the whole Jamaican slave food no more. Our big people know where education in it. Big dumpling and big piece of yam. Take with time now. We're getting older. And them things that give high blood pressure and diabetes. Too much flour. Alright, now. Me think me done now. Boom, me call it. we call you call just in time. You know, so me not like shit the soup while it's a boil, you know. Me like shit up when it's stove turn off, but it's so hot. No man, I go do it still. I go do it still. I go do it. Alright, look here now. See that? Carrot and sweet potato going on the plate. So it look nice. And then see the breadfruit there. Oh, look at that. Spinners. Chocho. Chocho still intact. I cut it big so the chocho still big. Nice. Oh wow. Come here, breadfruit. I wanna marry you, breadfruit. Alright, see it there? No man, that are the okra, yeah. And the spinners now, spinners wanna come have a party. Right. See them spinners them. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Eh? You want bigger spinners? You have big Spanish town dumpling woman, you know. Like your Spanish town dumpling woman them. No big dirty dumpling. Okay. Wow. I remember so the whole thing is a meat body, you know. Watch ya. Spinners look around the wild kitchen. Wow. With them say, whoa. Randy, your cooking is like whoa. Look there. Look there. Look at my girl. Look there. Uh-uh. Hey, stop it, man. I eat for you too. No say nothing. People, see it there. Run the wild kitchen now. Make we go for the cup for the soup. You look a brute. Look there, sir. Whoa. You love it. No. No, you see say man can. Some chicken foot tonight. Yeah. True thing. Plate for what? No, I go outside, go eat, you know, underneath the hockey tree. Whoa, show off by you. So we take the cup, wash the cup, and show this open it. Oh, Lord of mercy. No normal. Now we put that outside for cool. And go sit down on the hockey tree after full. A big man thing. I want people food that. With a big spoon there. Hey. Me say life good enough. No Jamaica good life we say, eh? Alright, what you me go do? Eh? No Jamaica good life we say. So now in order to eat soup like this, you get your big dutchy pot and put the container in the dutchy pot. Yes, and put a big spoon on it. See there? I saw you eat soup. Big man thing. Shaza, may I tell you, you know normal. When you're forward, you know normal. Don't sleep on Randy, you know. See there? No sleep on Randy. See the big dutchy pot, and nothing can drop. Me no want no soup for crack. No plate down crack on there, so nothing can drop people. See there? Yes. See there? You see how creamy it is? I could push pot aside. I need some nice reggae music. It's a soup that the people them can't refuse it. Now put it on the pot and show them. Look now. The soup, man. Nah, man. Nah, man. Me can't even lift it up. May I show them the camera? Alright, I could taste it now. Whoa, church or ball out. Let me taste the breadfruit first, my love. See if the breadfruit cook. Yes, yes. Yeah, I don't know if a breadfruit time, but breadfruit they about. Watch now. Wait, no say nothing. We could sneak up on the breadfruit. We almost faint. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Cause remember saying the Gongo peas blend out, you know. No, I can't explain it. It's too complex to talk about it. Me see you later. Boy, a lot of mercy. In the normal people. Wow. Pull up your pants, boy. Oh, sit there. It's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. One of my best today. See there. Put some more in this. Yes. More spinners. This has been Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. When you come to Jamaica, come to my house and check it out. Rondie'S Wild Kitchen. This is what life is about. No boundaries. Look at this. Let's investigate this. Look at that. This is spinners right here. This is the white cornmeal. And mint is inside the cornmeal. That's the trick. So when you bite the cornmeal dumpling with a little bit of flour, for a real corn, I would grate the corn myself. That is nothing normal. This is soup at the highest level. Carrots, scallion, okra, and this is a blended, nobody will know meat is in the soup. This is a blended cow skin. I gotta go, people. I have to go. Enjoy your life. This is Jamaica Good Life. All right? Take care of yourself. Until next time. Share this video with all your friends. Tell them it's unbelievable what this guy is doing in Jamaica. Share this video on your Facebook. Take care of yourself. Love you. I gotta go. I'm sorry. I have to go.